Hello, good evening, everybody. Spirit says where there was jealousy and trouble, you were able to break the chains that were binding you or holding you back. Be careful of self delusion. Open up your heart. Your potential for greater love rests in opening your heart. Blockages and wounds from the past will be healed and you'll be met with the true passion that you seek. You must take one step at a time, lots of baby steps, and your dreams will come true. You'll get great good fortune from that. You've made good choices in the past, and then you moved on from these kind of things. And they say there's blessings coming your way, unexpected blessings. Someone is extremely stubborn and unwilling to change, and they're talking about this all the time. So, but I've got to read it to you. This situation has brought a lot of deception, frustration, jealousy, and a broken heart to you. They want you to release the situation and all the anger that came of it. Don't give power to negative words by saying them. Speak from your higher self and make your communications peaceful and loving. They want you also to talk about the situation and your feelings about it with somebody close to you. You must use your intuition to make beneficial changes for yourself. Where there was fear, worries, and tense situations, you putting those things behind you, and even though you're tired, you moving forward. They say the best thing to do is to forgive, and it's time to let go of anger and blame. Then I've got two cards, the flower card and the unicorn card, and they both says laughter. The one says uplift yourself and those around you through loving laughter, and the other one says you need a good laugh. There's something coming your way that you don't expect to come your way, and you're going to you have to use your intuition wisely and trust your inner self. Have a lovely evening, everybody. I love you all.